Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'd like to share with you a few tags that I made. And of course I had to use the beautiful collection from Polkadoodles. It is Winnie Mermazing's and they are really amazing, you guys. You know that I love Winnie's and Nikki was able to make them into mermaids and they are just adorable. Okay, so here are some of the supplies that I've used. And also, before I continue, please, you guys, please check the description box. Open up that description box. I will have a direct link to the download, and also I will have direct links to most of the supplies used in this video. All right, so the tags were made using this die right here. I made the largest tag, and this is by Cat Scrappiness. I don't know what it's called, but if I find it, I'll have it in the description box. And this is what it looks like. It is a pretty big tag, and also I love the fact that it has a scallop at the bottom. I made doilies too for every tag, and I used this bigger one right here, and this is by Spellbinders. It is the Floral Doily Motifs, and these are all the dies that you get in that die set. And of course, the beautiful pattern paper from this collection. And this is probably one of my favorite ones because look at that, you guys. Look how amazing that is. And all of these patterns are just so super cute. Now what I did with this one is once I got it onto my silhouette program, I enlarged it. I was able to trace around some of these octopuses and then use them as ephemera or as embellishments. All right, and I'll show you what I mean by that. And I did the same thing with one of the fishes because they're all of these mermaids, I don't know if you can see up close. If you can see, this one right here has like fishes around, and this one has like a starfish, and it has the octopuses. So I was able to separate those images and use them also as ephemera, and I will share that with you in a bit. And I also use these sentiments. So as you can see right now, the collection comes with, I think it's 6 Winnie images, which they are just adorable, you guys. Like I said, the colors are vibrant, they're bright, perfect for summer, perfect for all of your summer projects. I love this collection. I know that I don't really work with these colors, but I really did enjoy working with these really vibrant colors. So as you can see, the pattern papers are really pretty to work with. They go very well with the images and of course all of the quotes that it comes with, the sentiments. It comes with, I believe, 10 or 11 of them. Everything in this collection goes very well together. So really quickly, I'm going to share with you how I assembled my tags. So I cut out one tag using solid paper, and then I cut it out again using the designer paper, and I cut around the stitch. You can see that all around it has a stitch mark. So I cut off the ends, and I had this, and I used this as a layer. Just like that, you can see that it gives you a really nice border. This is how I like to layer my stuff. I like it when it has just a little bit of a border. And then I got, now these are just pieces that I had left over. And I have the doily. So I cut this doily out of glitter paper. Then I have my Winnie image. And here she is. How cute is she? And then I took one of the sentiments, and this is what I was talking about, where I got one of the fishes and then one of the octopuses, and then I added it to the sentiment that says, "We were made to be friends." How cute is that, you guys? So I added it behind the wording, and I think it goes very well, and it looks just so cute. And that's how I was able to assemble my tags. Now let me share with you the first two. Oh my gosh, I really like this one because of the purple and the lavender and the pinks. It is just so cute. And this one says, "Have a fantastic day." And look at that dolphin, just so cute. And all I did was just add some rhinestones. And then this one, I did the same thing, just added a few rhinestones, and then I added, this is a bead from Michael's, and I just added it to her hair, and I think it just goes perfect with, you know, the color scheme. Super cute. Now the next two, I did a little bit more. I added some flowers. Look at this one. This one is my favorite tag. I just love all the blues and the aqua colors. Just so pretty. Now these rind, like these stars are from Dollar Tree, and then at the top I just added some ribbon. And here also these tiny seashells are from Dollar Tree, and then just some flowers just to make a little bit more, just to give it a little more extra. And then here is the last one, you guys. How cute is she with all of her octopus's friends? I think they're so cute. And this one says waving hello. So I thought it was cute to have put that octopus right there. And then again, just a little cluster of flower and seashells and some rhinestones throughout. So here are my 4 tags, you guys. How adorable are these images? Once again, don't forget to check out the description box for links to most of these items used in this video, and also a direct link to the Winnie Mermazing collection. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye, everyone.